What's up, guys? I'm in the studio again, and today it's the Nitro moment. I was actually doing some service on this, and then I thought to myself, maybe I need to touch on it again. I actually bought this on AliExpress. It's one of those Nitro cars that I've really come to enjoy. So what I did is I also cut at the top here. I really wanted to clean it because if you leave the fuel sitting for quite a long time, it ends up being a bit murky or muddy. So first of all, I made a hole here on top so that I can be able to access to pull it and also to put my spark plugs. It's like a nickel battery that you use to switch on the RC car, because this is a Nitro RC car or a fueled RC car. So you have the glow sparks inside here, a spark similar to this. So it's a glow plug, and the glow plug, what you do is once it sits inside, you put this on top, and when you put this on top, it ignites the engine. So you have to have the glow spark to burn the fuel while you pull the thing, like how you operate a lawnmower or something like that. So you have your engine, you pull this, and then the glow spark sparks the fuel to burn, and you have your fuel tank here. Inside here, I have a battery, and the battery is used to control the left and the right. That being said, if you try your Nitro RC car and it doesn't work, the first thing you need to do is check the glow plugs. Second of all, you will need the Nitro fuel, the glow fuel, and then once you have that, it works perfectly. So with this, I can be able to add. And also additional to that, you can also change the intake so that you can have less oxygen or more oxygen coming in, so that you can regulate the car itself. Now, with the body on top, I created a space where I can be able to put the fuel and everything inside. Go for a test drive. And that's the reason why I made the space, because it tends to be quite hard to shove everything in afterwards when you ignite the car. So it's much more easier for you to have the car closed in, and then later on when you ignite it, it works. Here's the other part. There you go. So one more part. Okay, now once you have that going, what I'll do is when I set it down, I have my glow stick. I put it inside there. And then after this, now everything is going to be a little bit loud. Just going to pull this, and then that was awesome. Amazing stuff. Man, this thing, oh, once you get it going, then it's 100% awesome. Smoky, but awesome. Need to take it maybe to a field or something and then fire it up again and drive it around and see how it goes. But it's an awesome experience for sure. Fuel. So that was just one tank of fuel. I haven't even used a lot. It's absolutely fun. Next time I'm definitely taking it somewhere I can be able to repeat a little bit. Haven't used so much fuel, but definitely I'll switch it on again just to run it. Technically, you're supposed to run the engine for a couple of hours for the first run. so that in the future you cannot have any problems or clogs or everything. But right now it's running smoothly. I'm happy where it has gotten to. Let's see how much fuel has remained. Tell you, there's some things, you know, even before. Yeah, definitely empty tank, which is good, absolute empty tank. One of the best purchase I've ever. I don't even, I'll show you guys later on when I get to the other studio how much it cost, but worth every penny that I paid for. I'm not even promoting them. I've run it a couple of times, and every time when I run it, everyone runs away, all the kids disappear, and it's just me ripping it, and I actually enjoy it a lot. So that's my Nitro RC car. Absolutely a unit of an RC car. And it's just a glimpse, a small glimpse of every day what I'm doing on the weekend. I test run them, I drive them, I have fun. I have enough space here to do whatever I want to do. Like, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.